How to make a group call on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the person you want to call. Over here, you can view their contact information. If you want to call this person, then tap on their mobile number as shown. Wait for them to receive your call. As you can see, the add option below becomes available only after they receive the call. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Add if you want to add more people to this call. Here, you can search for or select the person you want to add. Once you're here, tap on their mobile number. You are now calling this person as well. Once they receive, tap on Merge Calls below. This will merge both the calls into one. If you want to end the call with either one of them, then tap on the icon at the top right corner. And then, tap on End below that call. Following these steps, you can easily make a group call on iPhone.